Why you always feel tired? Natural fixes. You can start today. Ever wake up feeling tired? Even after a full night's sleep, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with low energy, brain fog, and sluggishness, even when they believe they're doing everything right. It's frustrating, confusing, and can seriously affect your mood, productivity, and overall health. So what's going on? One of the most overlooked reasons behind this constant fatigue is poor cellular energy production. In simple terms, your body isn't making enough clean energy at the cellular level. And that can happen even if you're sleeping well, eating okay, and staying relatively active. Let's explore why this happens and how you can naturally reboot your energy levels without caffeine or supplements. 1. Blood sugar imbalance. The hidden energy thief. You might be eating healthy foods, but if your blood sugar is spiking and crashing throughout the day, it's like being on an energy roller coaster. Refined carbs, sugary snacks, or even skipping meals can lead to these sudden dips in blood sugar, leaving you feeling drained and moody. Natural remedy. Start your day with protein-rich meals. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, oats with nuts, or a smoothie with seeds and nut butter. Protein helps stabilize your blood sugar and keeps your energy steady. Also, include healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, or a handful of almonds. They slow digestion and provide longer-lasting fuel. 2. Dehydration. More common than you think? Feeling tired in the afternoon? Before you reach for another coffee, ask yourself, when did you last drink water? Mild dehydration can reduce blood flow to the brain and muscles, making you feel foggy, weak, and sleepy. Daily health tip. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, and more if you drink coffee, exercise, or live in a warm climate. Add a pinch of sea salt or a squeeze of lemon for natural electrolytes. They help your body absorb water better. 3. Mitochondria burnout. Fix your cells to fix your energy. Your cells have tiny power plants called mitochondria. When they get overloaded with toxins, stress, or poor sleep, they don't produce energy efficiently. The result? You feel sluggish, even if you've technically rested. Immune support, an energy boost tip. Try deep breathing or light stretching in the morning sunlight. This reduces stress hormones and supports natural circadian rhythm. Vitamin D from sunlight also fuels mitochondria and supports immune function. And add colorful vegetables to every meal. Spinach, carrots, beets, and peppers are packed with antioxidants that protect your mitochondria. Small lifestyle tweaks, big energy results. Feeling tired all the time isn't always about sleep. It's often about how well your body is using fuel, managing stress, and staying hydrated. So if you feel exhausted, start small. Eat protein at breakfast, drink water consistently, get 10 minutes of sunlight in the morning, add color to your plate. These simple, natural remedies work with your body, not against it. And over time, they can bring your energy back in ways you didn't think possible. If this helped you, leave a comment with your favorite energy boosting tip or what you're struggling with the most. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily health tips and natural remedies. Let's build your energy the natural way.